whatever. I turned 70, but hey, I got a lot to be thankful for. So, I'm not complaining. But I think you guys were chanting you wanted Jimmy to give a speech. Is that what I heard you say? Am I doing that right? Or maybe it's just because I'm old, I can't hear it.
I think he's having lunch right now. He can't. See what? That's why you gotta buy the new album. He's eating his sticks. We're dying.
Jimmy has great stories.
This old thing?
Jimmy and I have a lot of history. A lot of frickin' history. Crazy stories. But he's not gonna tell them to you, he says. I can't hear what you're saying, dude. You've got to talk into your microphone. But anyways, here he comes in his underwear. Jimmy. Whatever his last name is. Jimmy something or other. He's not shy, by the way. He's not shy.
Okay, so hold on. You guys want to hear the fucking coolest story you'll ever hear? Okay, this is a true story. I'm literally not making this up. So in 1985, on the Sunset Strip, I'm about 14, 15 years old, and all the guys, all my friends, we all drive up. Our mom drops us off on the Sunset Strip, and we hang out, and we see all the rock stars and shit. Fucking Lenny's there, and Eddie Van Halen. And one night, as we come up to the Sunset Strip, we can see, way before we get there, there's helicopters, and there's ambulances, and there's fucking police cars, and it's like a fucking, like I think like someone, like there's been a mass murder or something. That's how many cops and ambulances are there. And then so we're walking up to see what's happening, and we're right by the Roxy, which is next to the Rainbow. And then we get to that, and we can't even move another step forward because there's so many people being pushed back, and there's cop cars here, and there's a cop car right here, and I look down, and there's George Lynch in the back of the cop car. Now, I'm a fan of Dokken, I'm a fucking huge fan of George Lynch, and I look down and I go to my buddy, I go, there's George Lynch in the cop car. And he goes, and he looks down, and George goes, let me out. And we opened the door, and he ran out and ran up the hills behind the Sunset Strip right there, and he got away from the cops.
And I've been running ever since. Thanks to Jimmy Deanda, my savior. Thank you, Jimmy. And he's never let me forget that I owe him my entire existence of freedom due to his one act of saving my ass back in, when the hell was that, 1980? God damn. I think there was cocaine, Jack Daniels, and a 357 involved. Oh my God.
That sounds pretty fun.
How did we survive all that?
We should do that right now.
We're very lucky to be alive. Yeah, there's a lot of other stories, but you got to come to our other shows to hear those. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna bring it. Let's get mellow, dude.
Are we?
Yeah, let's get mellow, but with a bluesy tone.
Okay.
We could do a ballad. Want to do a ballad? Like,
how ballady do you want the ballad to be?
like something you would sing to your boyfriend.
Oh, yeah.
What? You know what I mean.
You mean point of entry?
No.
Well, what?
We could do something like this. I just wrote this for you.
Okay.
Check this out. It's a song I'm thinking about writing right now. It's for our new record. Okay, ready? Just sing something like about love or something. About love. You know what love is, right?
Kind of.
Get emotional, dude. Or should we not do that? Dude, that was good right there.
I know.
You could give Don Dokken singing lessons with the voice. No, I'm serious. So he could like
Well, how much?
expand his range.
How much should I charge?
Huh? Dude, just to be in his presence, you should charge him. You can't charge Don Dokken. Alright, no, here we go. Let's do this.
Where your love, your money, honey, nothing to do. Future dreams with a thousand hope, and now she's still young, but you're looking for. And now's the time, but it's just a little too late. Sorry, sorry.